Bike is pulling up.
Boy ain't seeing it first.
Finally waiting. Nigga been waiting forever.
Reaction. It's coming down this joint. It's time.
Gotta get forks. Everything. Damn, look at this mini car, nigga. That shit hella sick. Gave it a quick wash. But everything is clean. Super dirty. What up, YouTube? We out here in this hot LA weather. God damn, it's sunny. But yeah, I ended up picking up my new little bike from the auction. Let me flip the camera. I ended up grabbing this 2008 Glide. It had front end damage. Ended up being some whole extra stuff with like the frame cracked. You see that shit? That's crazy. They get some shit head on. Ended up having the frame cracked. So I was originally going to bust this bike down how my other one came out. But before I even get to that, my whole plans have changed because they stole, not even they stole, I don't know what happened, but you know, when you deal with stuff from the auction, everything isn't gonna go as planned. They took the computer and the battery. But I mean, that was expected though. So I'm on the hunt for that right now, trying to find one of those online. Once I get that, I'm gonna try to start the bike, make sure the motor and trans is good. At least the motor started up so I know it's working, but I don't wanna put money into all of this and then the motor not even right. I'd rather focus on one thing at a time so I know everything is going to follow right up, you know. But besides that, this is pretty different than what I'm used to. Got the double pipes. I actually like these newer style back tail lights for the fenders. Then this one is belt drive, not chain. 6-speed transmission instead of a 5-speed like mine. Then this is a 96. This is not an 88. Took the clutch line off so I could get the bars off. But that's just a little more about this bike. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to for sure take off both these pipes. I don't like that shit. Like, I'd rather have one. Looks decent. But I mean, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm trying to keep my mind open for just different options. This Harley stuff, you can't really tell what's next. You gotta just go with the flow. But yeah, this bike is gonna be out pretty soon. I got majority of the parts. I already have a new gas tank with no dents. I got a whole new fairing. Only thing I'll have to really get is some forks, triple tree because mine's is bent, and then I'm gonna get some more wheels to upgrade this thing. Put some love into this bike, you know. These are like parts I just been collecting. Got the windshield, inner and outer fairing with the headlight. This is the exact Glide inner and outer fairing I'm putting on the 2008. This is the old Street Glide one. We're gonna use the same harness and the same gauges. We're gonna get the extension to make it work. So we'll have that going for sure. Then I got the tank. I'm gonna use this tank. Got the bags, just small stuff. We're just gonna go little by little. My main focus right now is just dealing with the frame though. Then we're gonna go to everything else little by little. So back to this animal. This is the same black and yellow bike I have been having.
That's how I know. 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 That's how I knew that I was different.
Literally redid the whole complete bike. Took the motor off the frame. Powder coated the frame. Did a lot of stuff. So let's get into this. Guys, remember this front end? Or should I say this whole damn paint set, I'll say? But yeah, that's what this bike used to be. Now we're going with the Road King stuff. We're gonna get all this going. Let's get into this though. We got some 23 18s I end up ordering offline. double front rotors, rotor in the back with the sprocket. See the difference? This is chain drive. I like the chain to help you pull that torque, you know. So I had already threw the Road King harness on here. I ended up really snapping my bars. That's what made me bust this whole bike down. Let me show you actually. Can you see those handlebars right there snapped in half? Yeah, those were it. Popped the wheelie, came down, and that broke. That's what made me just change my whole mind and take the bike apart. Then I got the frame powder coated. Went and got the black bolts with the orange washers. You can just see kind of everywhere. From then, I started doing a little more stuff. I wanted to powder coat my motor, but I didn't have the time for that because I'm on a deadline already and I'm trying to be out for the summer. I don't want to miss too much. I know how that will have me out for some time. So after that, I went and powder coated my black. Got the little parts hit, got some pullback bars. You can use these for a Road King or a Road Glide. So since I did that, I love the feeling of it. It made the whole bike just a complete different feeling. Then I just started, what else I do after that? Got my heads diamond cut, and I went and got them powder coated orange. You can see, I'll put in some videos between, but you can see them things shine in the sun. Kid. Shine in the sun. But yeah, I mean, this bike is coming along. Did that. I just got the PM stuff all hit. 14 pieces, floorboards with the covers, intake, throttle body shit, everything.
Remind me of the Illinois.
Fresh blue. Nice. Got the blue washers for the little details, you know. Tried to get in everywhere I can. I'm just waiting on one little bolt for this side. I snapped this one, so I gotta get this one, then put the cover. That'll be all sorted. But besides that, we're coming, we moving. Got a D&D exhaust. Got my CNC seat in the shop right now, getting redone. So we're waiting on that. In the meantime, I'm about to start sanding. I'm doing my own paint. This is all built by me. I put all this together. This bike never seen a shop. Still not going to see a shop. Nothing wrong with that. I just want to put my own little touch onto my own stuff, you know. But yeah, this thing is coming along very nice, man, for real. Coming along very nice. Right now, I'm in the process of wiring my handlebars. I already done it like a few times, but the fact that I switched this bike from a Road King, Street Glide to a Road King. Before Road King, I was going with the Road Glide. So I had bought multiple parts, but this is the wire harness. I'm gonna have to fish through my bars for the Road King. These are connectors that match right up. So we're doing that. As you can see, I got the PM mirrors and controls with the little blue washers. You know, just little details to make it stand out. I already had a set of some black ones I had powder coated right here that was clean, but I ended up ordering brand new buttons. Then I just said, fuck it, I had an extra set, powder coated these blue. So now we're gonna throw these on there. Oh, shut up! Damn. Fucking annoying ass dog. See, powder coated these fresh blue. I'm gonna use these things. Got the grips. But yeah, a lot of this stuff is already performance machine. The floorboards, derby cover, with the washers all over the primary. You know, just little small stuff. Try to just separate your bike, you know. You don't want to be out here looking like the next person. At least I know I don't. Separation gotta require elevation. So yeah, I want to just give you guys a quick little update on my little builds I got going on. I do all of my own work, so I'll be out here moving all around, all over the place, but I'm trying to make progress at the same time, you know. One-man team, but it's all worth it at the end of the day. You gotta do what you gotta do. But stay tuned. I have some more videos coming soon. Just wanted to give you guys a little quick update. hitting in that light. Shit crazy. This motherfucker clean up pretty good. See the ooze with the motherfucking eyes, baby. Nah, for real, that shit hit. Quick little wash, get them oily ass fingerprints off.